Okay, so now you have your MetaMask wallet set up and you're raring to go and dabble in the world of NFTs, yield farming, DeFi, blockchain, Web3, crypto. But before you get into any of that, you need some assets in your MetaMask wallet. So, how do you acquire these assets in your wallet? Well, you gotta buy them from an exchange. I suggest you buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum because they are the easiest to exchange and easiest to acquire. And based on where you live, there are platforms that I could recommend. So if you're in the US, you'd want to get it either on Coinbase or KuCoin. And if you are in India, you could get it from WazirX or CoinDCX. And if you're probably in some of the other parts of the world, you could look into Binance. In this video, I'm going to be looking into Binance and how you can acquire your Bitcoin or Ethereum. And then I'm going to show you how you can transfer those assets from your exchange onto your MetaMask wallet so you can, maybe start buying NFTs or start investing in DeFi projects. Before we move on, you must be asking, what is this MetaMask wallet that I'm talking about? Well, I've done an entire video on how you can get started with Web3 by getting yourself a MetaMask wallet. So I'm leaving a link here and you could click on that and you could watch that video before you watch the rest of this video. So hit the like button if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and let's go. Okay, so here we are on Binance.com, and if you are a first time user, you will have to register onto this platform, and that procedure I will not be covering in this video because it's different for different nationalities. So it's sort of similar to like opening a bank account, but it's completely digital. And once you are onto this platform, then you could go into buy crypto, and you could buy crypto with P2P trading, and you could buy USGT, you can buy BTC, and a host of these other coins. Okay, sorry about that. So once you're onto this page, you'll see a host of different coins. I would suggest you either buy BTC or ETH. Like I said, they are the easiest to exchange. But even if you buy USDT, if that's a good rate, then that's not a problem. But let's look at buying BTC. So once you buy BTC, you could select in which currency you'd want to buy. So let's say you want to buy it in US dollar. Confirm. So you're gonna have different people who are willing to sell Bitcoin at different rates and at different payment methods. So depending on the one that works for you, you'd want to select that, and you'd want to buy BTC. So you can say how much you want to pay. Let's say you want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin. It'll show you how much that comes up to. And then you could get into buy Bitcoin, and that's how and follow through with the process, and that's how you will have Bitcoin in your wallet. Okay, that's where we end this part of the video. Next I'm going to show you how do you transfer that. Okay, so once you've got the coin in your account, you would want to check it in your wallet, and in your wallet you'd be able to see that particular coin, you'd be able to see that particular balance. So let's go into a lot of times once you receive it from P2P, you'd probably get it in your funding wallet, and then you would need to move it from your funding wallet to your fiat and spot, and this transfer is free, so you can do it internally. And then you would go into your fiat and spot wallet, and you would hit on withdraw, and here it'll automatically select the coin, but you can select the coin by yourself. So let me just select Ethereum. So if you bought Ethereum or if you bought Bitcoin, and then comes the address. So you'd want to withdraw these funds to the particular MetaMask address. So you'd go into your MetaMask, and you see here under new account or account 1, there will be a address which starts with a 0x, and you'd want to copy that, you would want to paste it here, and select the network. And this is a very important part. You want to select the right network. If you are going to be buying a lot of NFTs, most of them are on the Ethereum network, so you'd want to send your Ethereum via the Ethereum network. Whereas a lot of DeFi projects, they depend on which particular network is it that the particular project is built on. So that could be the Avalanche network, Phantom network. You may not know what some of these networks are yet. So just to be safe, you'd want to stick to the Ethereum network. But the drawback with that is that the Ethereum network does have a high gas fee, which they're trying to solve, obviously. So in the future, once you know exactly which project that you want to invest in, you'd want to select a network based on that. So for now, I'm going to select the Ethereum network, and I'll put an amount. So it could be, say, 2 Ethereum. You can see that it automatically calculates your ETH, and then you can hit withdraw. So once you hit withdraw, there'll be some sort of a verification that'll be done to ensure that it is you that's withdrawing that or making that transaction. And once you verified that, it takes a little bit of time, maybe anywhere between 10 minutes to 25 minutes for it to show up in your MetaMask wallet. So that's it. So that's how you you buy your first crypto and get from the exchange and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Once it's in your MetaMask wallet, that's where the whole world opens up to you, and then you can start dabbling into projects. So hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave me some comments, and I'll get back to you with any answers to your questions. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time.